Alright guys, so today we have the INDOMINUS Rexes here. We have the Legacy Collection and the Dino Rivals. So this is our first INDOMINUS here. It has the slashing sound. There we go. And the tail right here has the chomping sound. And oh yeah, it actually, you can put any small toys inside, but there's a DNA scan. And we'll check out the Legacy Collection Reimagined. So we also have the Indoraptor now. We just found it today. The mouth is actually pretty manual. You have to do it yourself. So the reason why we brought this out, because you guys know why. We found it. The INDOMINUS REX Hammond Collection. Let's check the side right here. After the INDOMINUS Rex escapes from her enclosure, a failed mission to contain her shockingly reveals that she ripped out her own tracking device and has the ability to camouflage. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like it has a pinkish color there for some reason. But sadly, we don't have the marble eye anymore. They really move on. They don't do that anymore. So let's open it up. Let's start here. Zephyrd's so excited here. Oh, there's another box here. Looks like on the bottom as well. Alright. Alright, today. Let's check it out. Let's move this out, Zephyr. Oh, wow. So it is a darker skin. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Look at that. Tail. That's so sweet. Let's check it. Take it out. Okay, we got it out. Now we're gonna bring out the tail and the accessory. Extra arms and what is that? This part of its flesh. I think we just pull this out. Okay. The tail length seems to be shorter now. I guess they learn. Mattel probably obviously figured out that every Hammond collection has very long length tails. Okay, so here's the piece of tail. Now I'm gonna bring out this piece of flesh, like from the movie. It tears out its own flesh. How do you bring this? Oh, there's the tracker. This is actually the tracker, the tracking device. Look at that.
Well,
there's the tracking device right there. Oh. Look at that. Oh, okay. Did you put the tail? Okay, let's put the piece of flesh. Whoop. Oh my gosh. There we go. Is it in? Okay, now we put the tail in. Okay, it's in. There you have it.
Wow.
Look at that.
It looks sick looking.
Now, for some reason, the claws or hands, it looks exactly the same as this. It looks exactly the same. So I don't know why it's actually the same. Right, Sephiroth?
Yeah, look like the same.
There's nothing.
Dino look different too.
Okay, so it looks exactly the same. It's weird.
I think you lost these, you put it again, so it'd be like that.
Yeah, maybe. I guess so. With an extra pair of arms. So in case if you lost it, I guess you have extra.
Yeah.
Now, all right. So let's compare it first to the original. Actually, let's go to Legacy Collection first. So it's quite smaller compared to the. Wait. Whoops. Well, let's go further. So the Legacy Collection is quite smaller, and it has quills on the back for the Hammond Collection right there. Compared to this guy, no quills on the back. It's pretty cool. And has a darker skin color now. The texture is actually darker. Now let's compare to the original, the Dino Rivals, who is actually bigger. I think the Dino Rivals has a bigger head.
Yeah, look like have a bigger head. The eyes look different.
Yeah.
See, the eyes look different. That one's red, that one's orange.
So the color's still better for the Hammond Collection. Look at that. The length, obviously the Hammond Collection is longer. Pretty cool stuff. And then as a feet, and I'm glad they made it darker right here. So that's good. And they forgot the dew claw again. They didn't paint the dew claw. Look at that, they totally forgot.
Look, it always keep happening,
Yeah.
Daddy.
I wish they made it a little longer as well. Now let's go to the claws. Even the claws are not painted, they didn't paint it. So I don't know why Mattel skipped that. But the teeth actually looks good. There's blood in it, see?
Oh yeah.
They put some blood in the teeth. So that's a good
That's a good
sign.
sign.
But
there.
for some reason it's pinkish here. I don't know why. Yeah, I wish they still stick to the marble eye. That would be better. Now let's go to the other side of it. Look at that. The painting on the head was pretty good. They put some white stuff on the head. Let's check the mouth. Yeah, has rubber gums, which is good. Look at the teeth. There's blood in the bottom. The teeth on the side's pretty cool. Look at that. That's
It's kind
good.
of more better the old ones.
Yeah, so no teeth top under the gums. Yeah. But look at the teeth, both left and right. It's totally different. That's good. So yeah, so this not bad though. But totally they miss out with a lot of stuff. The dew claws not painted. The claws and the eye. I wish they stick to marble. And this is kind of throwing me off. The pink stuff here looks weird. Looks like it has lipstick on.
Oh yeah, that's gonna show you. That's gonna look funny.
I know, looks a little odd.
Yes.
But yeah,
It feels sus looking.
let's see the skin texture right there. The belly part's pretty good. But yeah, I wonder if you take this off, it will fit to the Giga and the Spinosaurus though. If you take this off, but we're not doing that. That will be crazy. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you. There, take it off the piece of flesh again. Safra, do you want it? Or don't lose it, okay?
Okay.
There, it's in. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up.
Give me a
And-
thumbs up, guys.
Thank you. Have a good evening. We'll see you again on the next video.
Yeah.
We
Have
should
fun.
go to the Dunkleistius, perhaps, yeah? So yeah, thank you so much everyone.